I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data, so back up to iCloud or a computer now. Next, verify iOS is up to date because software fixes often restore Touch ID. Remove any case or screen protector and clean the home button gently with a lint-free cloth. Oils and debris block the sensor. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and make sure both home button and surrounding area are dry and unobstructed before moving to enrollment steps. Now you re-enroll fingerprints to recalibrate the sensor. Delete existing prints, then add 2 to 3 impressions of the same finger, center and edges, so the sensor learns more contact angles. While adding, lift and rest your finger slowly. That improves capture. Toggle the iPhone unlock and iTunes and App Store options off and on to force a settings refresh. If a paired Apple Watch or recent passcode change exists, sign out and sign in again, because linked credentials finish by ruling out hardware faults. Force restart first, and if Touch ID still fails, restore the iPhone from your backup to eliminate deep software corruption. Inspect the home button for cracks or loosened ring. Physical damage prevents the sensor from working. If you suspect hardware, do not attempt DIY replacement. Touch ID is paired to the Secure Enclave and requires Apple-authorized repair. One troubleshooting tip. If you see a notification that Touch ID is unavailable, schedule Apple diagnostics promptly to avoid prolonged lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.